Welcome, fellow travelers, to our hand-picked guide to Europe's top 15 must-visit destinations for 2024. Europe's like a grand museum you can wander through, filled with centuries of art, history, and culture. Whether you're a history buff, a culture enthusiast, or simply seeking breathtaking landscapes and charming villages, Europe has it all. Over the next few minutes, we'll journey together through bustling cities and tranquil countrysides, uncovering hidden gems and iconic landmarks. So grab your travel journal, pack your bags, and let's embark on an unforgettable adventure. Our first stop takes us to Lisbon, Portugal, where sun-drenched hills meet the sparkling Tagus River. Stroll through the ancient Alfama district, its cobblestone streets echoing with fado music. Visit the Geronimo's Monastery and the Belém Tower, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Hop on a vintage yellow tram through historic neighborhoods, soaking in the colorful architecture. Treat yourself to the sweet delight of pastel de nata. Next, we venture to Barcelona, Spain, a city that bursts with creativity and architectural wonders. No visit to Barcelona is complete without marveling at the Sagrada Familia, Gaudi's unfinished masterpiece that continues to inspire awe and wonder. Lose yourself in the whimsical world of Park Güell, another Gaudi creation filled with colorful mosaics and playful structures. In the evening, indulge in the flavors of Catalonia with tapas and a glass of local wine, enjoying the lively ambiance of this captivating city. Our journey continues to Rome, Italy, where ancient history comes to life. Imagine standing in the Colosseum, feeling the echoes of the past. Explore the Roman Forum, the heart of the ancient Roman Empire. Gaze at the Pantheon and Michelangelo's frescoes in the Sistine Chapel. Visit Vatican City, the center of the Catholic Church, and indulge in Italy's world-renowned cuisine. Chapter 4: Paris, City of Lights and Romance. Our next stop takes us to Paris, France, a city synonymous with romance, elegance, and iconic landmarks. Picture yourself strolling along the Seine River, the Eiffel Tower shimmering in the distance, as the scent of freshly baked bread wafts from a nearby boulangerie. Ascend the Eiffel Tower for panoramic views of the city and explore the masterpieces of the Louvre Museum, home to the Mona Lisa and countless other treasures. In the evening, enjoy a leisurely dinner at a sidewalk cafe, savoring French cuisine and the romantic ambiance of this enchanting city. Chapter 5: Amsterdam Canals, Culture, and Cozy Charm. Next, we journey to Amsterdam, Netherlands, a city of canals, bicycles, and a relaxed, welcoming atmosphere. Imagine gliding along Amsterdam's picturesque canals, passing beneath charming bridges and alongside colorful houseboats decorated with blooming flowers. Visit the Anne Frank House, a poignant reminder of World War II, and explore the works of Dutch masters at the Rijksmuseum, home to Rembrandt's masterpiece, The Night Watch. In the evening, enjoy a traditional Dutch meal and a local beer, experiencing the warmth and hospitality of this charming city. Chapter 6: Vienna, where music fills the air. Our European adventure takes us to Vienna, Austria, a city steeped in musical heritage. Imagine stepping back to the days of Mozart and Strauss, surrounded by grand boulevards. Visit Schönbrunn Palace and wander through its sprawling gardens. Attend a performance at the Vienna State Opera and experience classical music. Enjoy coffee and Sachertorte at a traditional Viennese coffee house. Get ready to be enchanted as we journey to Edinburgh, Scotland, a city of legends, history, and dramatic landscapes. Imagine yourself walking along the Royal Mile, Edinburgh Castle perched majestically atop its volcanic rock, the sound of bagpipes echoing through the air. Explore Edinburgh Castle, delve into Scotland's royal past, and feel the weight of history within its ancient walls. Experience the vibrant art scene during the Edinburgh Festival Fringe, the world's largest arts festival. And of course, no trip to Scotland is complete without savoring the flavors of the local cuisine, from hearty stews to fresh seafood. Our next stop takes us to Dubrovnik, Croatia, a city bathed in sunshine and lapped by the crystal-clear waters of the Adriatic Sea. Imagine yourself walking along the ancient city walls, gazing out at the sparkling blue waters and the terracotta rooftops of the old town. Walk the city walls, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, for breathtaking views of the city and the Adriatic Sea. Take a cable car to the top of Mount Suri for panoramic views of the city and the Elafidi Islands. And in the evening, savor fresh seafood and local wines at a waterfront restaurant, enjoying the gentle sea breeze and the magical ambiance of this Adriatic gem. Get ready to be enchanted as we journey to Prague, a city of spires and cobblestone streets. Imagine crossing the Charles Bridge at sunset, with the Vltava River flowing beneath. Explore Prague Castle and marvel at St. Vitus Cathedral. Wander through Old Town Square, home to the astronomical clock. Get lost in the charming streets of the lesser town. Enjoy a hearty Czech meal and local beer in the evening. Chapter 10. Budapest, the Pearl of the Danube. Our next stop takes us to Budapest, Hungary, a city of thermal baths, grand architecture, and a captivating history. Imagine yourself relaxing in a thermal bath, the steam rising around you, as you gaze out at the majestic Buda Castle illuminated against the night sky. Visit Buda Castle, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, and explore its museums, galleries, and historic buildings. Relax in one of Budapest's famous thermal baths, such as the Széchenyi Thermal Baths or the Gellert Thermal Baths, and experience the city's rich spa culture. In the evening, enjoy a delicious Hungarian meal and a glass of local wine, savoring the flavors of this vibrant city. Chapter 11. Athens, where ancient history meets modern life. Prepare to step back in time as we journey to Athens, Greece, the cradle of Western civilization. Picture yourself standing on the Acropolis, the Parthenon towering above you, feeling the weight of history and the legacy of ancient Greece. Explore the Acropolis, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, and marvel at the architectural genius of the Parthenon, the Erechtheion, and the Temple of Athena Nike. Lose yourself in the Plaka district with its narrow streets, neoclassical buildings, and traditional tavernas serving delicious Greek cuisine. Chapter 12. Istanbul, where East meets West. Our next adventure takes us to Istanbul, Turkey, a city that straddles two continents and embodies a captivating blend of East and West. Imagine yourself standing at the crossroads of Europe and Asia, the call to prayer echoing from a nearby mosque, the scent of spices filling the air. Visit the Hagia Sophia, a masterpiece of Byzantine architecture that has served as both a church and a mosque, its towering dome a testament to its enduring legacy. Get lost in the labyrinthine alleyways of the Grand Bazaar, one of the oldest and largest covered markets in the world, filled with a treasure trove of carpets, spices, ceramics, and more. Get ready for an adventure like no other as we journey to Reykjavik, Iceland, a city where volcanic landscapes meet modern design and the northern lights dance across the winter sky. Imagine yourself soaking in the blue lagoon, surrounded by geothermal waters, as the snow falls gently around you. Visit the iconic Hallgrímskirkja Church, its distinctive design inspired by Iceland's basalt columns, and take the elevator to the top for panoramic views of the city. Embark on the Golden Circle, a classic Icelandic road trip that takes you to Gullfoss Waterfall, the geothermal area of Geysir, and Thingvellir National Park, where you can stand between the North American and Eurasian tectonic plates. Our next stop takes us to Copenhagen, Denmark, a city renowned for its stylish design, happy locals, and charming canals. Imagine yourself cycling along the cobblestone streets, the scent of freshly baked pastries filling the air, as you pass colorful buildings and charming cafes. Visit Tivoli Gardens, one of the oldest amusement parks in the world, and enjoy its whimsical rides, gardens, and entertainment. Explore the colorful harbor of Nyhavn, lined with historic houses, restaurants, and bars, and take a boat tour for a different perspective of the city. Our final stop takes us to Valencia, Spain, a city where historic charm meets modern architecture and the Mediterranean Sea sparkles along its shores. Imagine yourself strolling through the city of arts and sciences, its futuristic buildings reflecting the sunlight, before relaxing on the beach with a refreshing drink. Explore the City of Arts and Sciences, a complex of futuristic buildings designed by Santiago Calatrava, including an opera house, a science museum, and an IMAX cinema. Relax in the Turia Gardens, a lush green space built in the former riverbed of the Turia River, offering a peaceful escape from the city bustle. And there you have it, our whirlwind tour of Europe's top 15 must-visit destinations for 2024. From the sun-drenched shores of the Mediterranean to the rugged landscapes of Iceland, Europe offers a tapestry of experiences waiting to be discovered. Don't forget to like this video if you enjoyed it and subscribe to our channel for more travel inspiration. And be sure to let us know in the comments below which destination you're most excited to visit. Happy travels!